Hello, this is Jinx. Today we're heading to the paradise of Rottnest Island in Western Australia, home of the fabled smiling Quokkas. Our trip starts at 7 a.m. boarding the SeaLink Ferry at Fremantle. Other ferry operators leave from Fremantle, Perth City and Hillary's Boat Harbour. I'll leave links in the description below. If you rent a bicycle from the ferry operator, be sure to collect your wristband before boarding. The sea was calm, the air was crisp, and I had that today is going to be something special feeling. Oh, here's a tip. If you get seasick easily, like me, your best bet is to sit right in the middle of the lower deck of whichever ferry you take. Stepping onto Rottnest feels a bit like entering into a postcard. Everything's brighter, slower, happier. And the first to greet me? The Quokkas. These little fluff balls are basically joy in animal form. Always smiling, always Instagrammable. They will just come up to you, occasionally sniff you out, go about their business of munching on leafy goodies while you just marvel at their cuteness levels, which are quite frankly off the charts. Trying to get a selfie with one is part patience, part luck, part acceptance that the Quokka is going to look cuter than you in every photo. Bear in mind that you're not to pet them or feed them, even though their cuteness will make you want to. They are still wild animals after all, and you certainly don't want to go down in history as the person who pissed off a happy Quokka. In August, the island comes alive with new beginnings. Tiny joeys shyly peeking from their mother's pouches. By September, they're venturing out, discovering the world, one tentative hop at a time. How cute is that? After that cuteness overload, it was time to explore the rest of the island. One thing that makes Rottnest special is just how peaceful it is, because hardly any cars are allowed. The few that exist belong to island workers, which keeps things blissfully quiet. Getting around is part of the fun. You can walk, bike, catch the island shuttle bus, or take the on-demand Quokka hopper. There are also water taxis and air taxis, if your wallet allows it. I went for the classic option, a rented bike, and discovered that Rottnest is not quite as flat as it looks on postcards. But every climb came with a view that made it all worth it. My first lighthouse stop was Bathurst Lighthouse, sitting proudly on the northern tip of the island. Standing there with the breeze in my face and that endless turquoise water stretching out in front of me, I had one of those quiet moments where everything just felt right. I then headed inland towards the lakes, where each one had its own unique version of breathtaking. It strangely felt as though I was cycling on a real-life version of the old Nintendo Wii Sports Island. It was such a pleasure to cycle through here and enjoy the views while performing some death-defying stunts. Wadjemup Lighthouse, the island's tallest. I didn't climb it, partly because my legs had filed an official complaint by then, and partly because the view from the base was already postcard perfect. Before I knew it, it was time to head back to the jetty for my 4 p.m. ferry home. I can't recommend this visit enough. Between the Quokkas, the lakes, the lighthouses, and those roller coaster hills, Rottnest gave me everything I wanted, and a few aches and muscles I didn't know I had. I came for the cute selfies, stayed for the stunning views, and left with a strong suspicion that Quokkas are secretly running the place. So, if you're after beauty, adventure, and just the right amount of cardio-induced humility, Rottnest Island will certainly make you smile as wide as the Quokkas. Thank you for coming on this trip with me. If you did not like this video, please like and subscribe. If you like this video, please send money. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Send money. This is Jinx, and I'll see you in the next one.